Hello, I'm Mike Young. This video is an introductory example of dilemma analysis using a case study from my Decision Workshop's website, the conflict between Iran, Israel and the USA over Iran's nuclear weapons program. I want to show you how dilemma analysis allows us to understand and focus in on the problems. The first stage of that is to build an options table. In an options table, each row is an action, something one of the sides involved could or could not do in the future. In this case, it's Iran, and the thing it could do is build nuclear weapons. The next step is to put down what the different sides are saying they want to have happen. That's called their positions. And after that, we put down what will happen if the sides can't come to a better agreement, if there's no progress or change, if any further negotiations are a failure. And that's called the threatened future. Let's fill that in now. Israel is saying, Iran, I don't want you to build nuclear weapons. So I put a cross in here. The USA is also saying, Iran, I do not want you to build nuclear weapons. So I'll put another cross here. But what's Iran saying? Ask Iran, are you going to build nuclear weapons? And Iran says, no, I'm not going to build nuclear weapons. And if there's no further progress or change, I'm still not going to build them. There we go. Everyone's in agreement. So what's the problem? The problem is that the USA and Israel just don't believe Iran. They think Iran is lying. They think that this cross here is actually a tick, that Iran will build nuclear weapons despite saying it won't. And we can show that by using a question mark to show our doubts. One for Israel and one for the USA. Showing that they don't believe Iran. In other words, they don't trust them. And lack of trust is one of the 5 possible dilemmas people in conflict can have. These are shown here on the right-hand side of the options table. These 5 things are what motivate people to action, to try to change things. And our program can calculate what dilemmas people have by the structure of any ticks, crosses and question marks. And not only does it find the dilemmas, but when you click on them, it shows exactly in great detail what has to be done to get rid of them. Press pause if you want to read this in more detail, or go to the next video to see how the negotiations develop.